Pennod 3. Gewch chi weld beth sy'n digwydd ym Pennod 3 o Dderwen. So mae hwn yn digwydd dydd Mawrth. A mae heddiw yn dydd Mawrth. Sounds like mouth. Dydd Mawrth. Dydd Mawrth. Mawrth, Tuesday. Dydd Mawrth. Gorffennaf. Gorffen, to finish. Have summer. Gorffennaf is when summer finishes in Cymraeg. So we have very short summers. Gorffennaf y 12fed. 11 o'r gloch y bore. O, 11 o'r gloch y bore, if you want. Bore da, Deian. Mae'r tywydd yn hyfryd. Hyfryd. Bendigedig. Lovely weather bore yma. Mae'n heilog ac yn braf. Dwi'n byw yn ymyl ryl heilog. Sunny ryl. Sunny ryl, dyna beth pobl yn galw fe. Sunny ryl, ryl heilog. Felly mae'n heilog ac yn braf. Mae'r brogawod bach, brogawod yn crawcian. Yn y brwyn, mae'n mynd grawc, grawc, grawc. Y brogawod bach yn crawcian yn y brwyn. Ac mae'r awyr yn las llachar. Dazzlingly blue. Yn las rich, dazzlingly blue. Yn las llachar. Uwch ben, above your head. Above, uwch ben. Cysges I, so that S-E ydy I did something. Anytime you hear an S-E, I did something. Cysges I, so cysges I fel mochyn. Fel mochyn, neithiwr. A dihuno, and woke up bore yma, yn llawn egni, full of energy. Llawn egni. How do you feel? Yn llawn egni. I didn't quite hear that. Sut ydych chi'n teimlo? Yn llawn egni. Right, yn llawn egni. I frecwast, ges I. So ges I, that's the end of an essay I had. Ges I fiwsli. A thair disgled o goffi. Tair, o 1, 2 tair, because it's feminine. A thair disgled o goffi. Mae nhw'n gwneud disgled hollol ansparadigaethus o goffi yma. Right, yeah. Not just ansparadigaethus, but even more than an ansparadigaethus. It's hollol ansparadigaethus, totally damn fine sort of thing, right? So it's even, so hollol ansparadigaethus. Ar ôl brecwast, Es-I draw, that Es-I, that once again is the past tense. I went. Es-I, that's the simplest of the lot. Es-I. Es-I draw i'r gweithgaredd adeiladu tîm. Fel chi wedi wneud heddiw, ond roedd gormod o bobl, too many people there, gormod o bobl yna. Well I chi fynd, you'd better go. Well I chi fynd, you better go. Well I chi fynd. Tell these people here to get lost. Well I chi fynd, you better go. Tell them to go.
Well I chi fynd.
Tell them again.
Well I chi fynd.
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 Yeah, okay, so well I chi fynd. Okay. Well I chi fynd I rhywle arall. I rhywle arall, another place, right, so medde gethin, arweinydd y gweithgareddau. It's not very helpful, is it? So, well I chi fynd I rhywle arall, medde gethin, arweinydd, the leader, arweinydd. So, petaina UFO bach yn glanio fan hyn, glanio fan hyn, ac yn dod allan, mae'n dweud, ewch a fi, take me, i'ch arweinydd, take me to your leader. So, but arweinydd y gweithgaredd. Felly, therefore, es I wylio adar. Ar lan yr afon. Es ti wylio adar bore yma? 5 o'r gloch y bore? Yeah. Pedwar o'r gloch y bore. So, codesi, I got up, codesi am 5 o'r gloch y bore. A ti hefyd? Yeah, so felly ddau ohonoch chi'n teimlo yn llawn egni ar ôl codi am 4 o'r gloch y bore, felly, right. Felly, codesi am 4 o'r gloch y bore, felly. Felly, es I wylio adar, to watch birds ar lan yr afon. Glan yr afon, we were talking about this earlier, glan yr afon, the riverbank. Tales of the riverbank, storiau, glan yr afon. Right, drosodd. Weles I, I saw, weles I, what did you see? Lawer iawn o adar, many birds, lawer iawn, so weles I. So, if you say, I saw, weles I, pawb?
Weles I.
I saw, weles I. Julius Caesar, veni vidi vici, yeah? So, veni des I, weles I saw. I came, I saw, I conquered. Weles I, pawb?
Weles I.
Eto? Weles I. Iawn, so weles I. I saw, weles I. So weles I lawr iawn o adar, glas y dorlan. Kingfisher, right? Glas y... It's the blue, glass. Crys glas. Glas y dorlan, the blue of the riverbank. Glas y dorlan, kingfisher. Craer glas, it's a heron, but it's a blue heron. Hwyaid gwyllt. Gwyllt. Wild. Gwyllt. Ac elyrch. Swans, elyrch, yeah. Dwi'n mynd I fynd. Now you can talk about the future. Dwi'n mynd I fynd. Dwi'n mynd, so this is what his intention to do. Dwi'n mynd, I am going. Dwi'n mynd I fynd, I am going to go. You can use it for the future.
Dwi'n mynd I fynd.
Dwi'n mynd I fynd, dwi'n mynd I fynd, dwi'n mynd I fynd. So if you get fed up with something, you can say, dwi'n mynd I fynd, I'm going to go. Or plans, cynllunio, ydych chi'n gallu dweud, dwi'n mynd I fynd i'r pizzeria heno. Dwi'n mynd I fynd I abseilio heno. Dwi'n mynd I fynd, who knows if they're doing abseiling? Pwy sy'n mynd? So, ydych chi'n gallu dweud, dwi'n mynd I fynd I abseilio heno. Dwi'n mynd I fynd. Dwi'n mynd I fynd. I'm going to go. Dwi'n mynd I fynd I abseilio heno. Right. So, dwi'n mynd I fynd draw at y graig I abseilio nawr. Dwi'n edrych mlaen. I'm looking forward. So I'm actually physically looking forward. Dwi'n edrych mlaen. I'm looking forward. Dwi'n edrych mlaen at hynny. Hwyl am y tro Dderwen. Iawn, so dyna fe. Nos Fawrth. Beth sydd wedi digwydd yn y nos? Trwy dydd erbyn y nos. Nos Fawrth, gorffennaf y 12. So dydd Mawrth, but nos Fawrth. Dydd Mawrth a nos Fawrth. Soft mutation, okay? Nos Fawrth, it changes slightly. Gorffennaf y 12. 6 o'r gloch. 6 o'r gloch yr hwyl. Noswaith dda, Dian. Iechyd o'r iaith. Cofiwch, iechyd o'r iaith. 1, 2, 3. Iechyd o'r iaith. Heavens above. BSc bron a chael damwain. So, BSc is a very useful expression. BSc. Achos ydych chi'n gallu defnyddio BSc. BSc. Mae'n golygu yn Saesneg, you don't have this tense, but it's BSc, I byd.
Are we?
Yeah, BSc. So BSc, you could actually use any verb after it. BSc'n, Agus ydych chi'n dweud, BSc'n dringo, I byd climbing, I went climbing. BSc'n siarad, I byd speaking, I spoke to somebody. BSc'n cysgu, I went and slept for a while. BSc'n nofio, I went and swam for a while. Dyna beth ydi o. So, if anybody asks you, what do you do today? Be wnaethoch chi heddiw? Be fiwch chi'n neud heddiw? You could say, BSc'n abseilio. BSc'n casgu. It's intranslatable, but beth mae'n olygu ydi, I went and spent some time doing something. It's that feeling. So you say like, BSc'n nofio is different from noviesi. There's a subtle difference. Noviesi, I swam. BSc'n nofio, I went and did some swimming. That's what it implies. You don't have it in Saesneg. But it's that. But it's easy to use. You don't have to think of a verb and changing the ending. So they can get you BSc'n dringo, BSc'n cerdded, BSc'n redeg, ac yn y blaen. So dringo, yeah, okay, felly mae yn ddefnyddiol I chi bob nos yn yr rhaglen fyw. Os ydy Gareth yn gofyn I chi, be fiwch chi wneud heddiw? Be fiwch chi wneud heddiw? You could say, ddoi, BSc'n siopa. BSc'n shopper. BSc'n shopper.
Does that mean BSc'n Ibiza?
BSc'n Ibiza. Perfect. BSc'n Ibiza. So you can actually have a verb or you can have a place. Yeah. So BSc'n Ibiza.
I went to
BSc'n Ipswich.
BSc'n Ipswich.
BSc'n Scarborough.
BSc'n Scarborough.
So
yeah.
Bron is almost and
Bron is almost.
That makes it all. I almost went.
Yeah, so BSc Bron a chael damwain. So I almost had an accident.
The thing you were saying, it was in the past, it started and it ended. So that's what that tense means. So
this tense actually implies that you spent some time doing something. The wedi is the one where...
Yeah, but I mean, what I mean is, you began it and you ended it. So it was a period of time it took you in the past?
Yes, yes, it's a period of time in the past, but it lasted for a while.
Okay.
You can say, I swam the channel. That's an event. But BSc nofio means I went and spent some time swimming. Right? Felly, pan es I draw, when I went over, pan es I draw at y graig ddringo, pwy weles I? Who did I see? Pwy weles I? We've had the weles I. Pwy, who should I see? Who did I see? Yna, ond Alice yng Ngharad yn siarad gyda ffion Griffith, y double F yn Gymraeg yr iffa, Ffion Griffith, yr hyfforddwraig, the trainer, hyfforddwraig ffitrwydd o Dreforest. Pnawn da, medde fi, pnawn da, medde fi. Good afternoon. Mae'n braf heddiw, ond yw hi? Braf iawn, it's very nice, very nice. Medde'r ddau ohonyn nhw, said both of them. Dych chi'n mynd i, are you going to? So we've got the beer scene, and you can have the dwi'n mynd i. Dwi'n mynd i. So that's your future. But beer scene is I be doing something. So dych chi'n mynd i abseilio, gofynes I asked, ddim eto, not yet, ddim eto, medde Ffion, cerwch I gynta, you go first, cerwch I gynta. Dyn ni'n cael picnic bach. Gwisges I wore, gwisges I, got the S-E, gwisges i'r offer angenrheidiol, the essential equipment, yr helmet, a'r harness, for abseiling, could have probably dressed. A dechreues I started, dechreues I ddisgyn to descend, to go down. Dechreues I ddisgyn y graig yn araf. Do you remember? Araf deg?
Yn araf.
Yn araf, ar y deg, araf slowly. Yn sydyn. Pawb yn dweud yn sydyn.
Yn sydyn?
Unwaith eto. Yn sydyn. Dramatic.
Yn sydyn?
I can just jump in that please. So, yn
sydyn?
Unwaith eto. Yn sydyn. Yn sydyn, clywes I, I heard, clywes I, Ffion yn gweiddi. I heard her shouting, byddwch yn ofalus, Alice. Edrychus I lan, a weles I, so we got edrychus I, I looked up and I saw edrychus I lan, a weles I, what did he see? Hanner brechdan, have a sandwich, hanner brechdan, 4 tomato, darn o gacen hifen, piece of cream cake, a chroen banana, banana skin, yn cwympo, tegada I, splat! Oops! Mae'n ddrwg dy fi, medde Alice. Popeth yn iawn, medde fi. Dwi ddim wedi llyncu dim byd. Llyncu, to swallow. Dwi ddim wedi llyncu dim byd. Mae sesiwn tai chi mlaen heno. Just a peth ar gyfer ymlacio a dad weindio. Weindio to wind up, dad weindio to unwind. Dad weindio. Hwyl am y tro, Dderwen. Nos Mawrth Gorffennaf y 11 o gloch y nos, nodyn byr, a short note, nodyn byr deian. Weles i'r person mewn siwt gorilla yn bwyta banana, heno. Ac yn ein gwylio ni, watching us, ac yn ein gwylio ni o bellter wrth I ni ymarfer tai chi. Felly, dyna beth sy'n digwydd yn yr act, yn y benod yma. So, pwy sy'n wisg gorilla? Gawn ni weld.